The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
Well, material stocks are hot right now. At least that's what our aggressive growth strategist Brian Boland tells me. So we said, all right, prove it. Give us a couple of material stocks here.
Yeah,
to
you know,
talk about.
Materials, we're talking about like steel and the components that would make steel. Those names have been super hot of late. And it's really been a trade that's under the radar because we've been seeing so much movement in the NASDAQ and the tech stocks and those sorts of things.
Yep.
You know, these are also very good plays out there for investors that are looking for that more aggressive style play.
Okay. Some gems that maybe needed to be uncovered.
Right. Yeah, it's just, you know, some ideas that really probably aren't talked about as much because, let's face it, steel isn't sexy for the most part.
Right.
I mean, unless you're a man of it.
Right.
Man of steel, Terry.
Yes, I got that. But I was trying to bypass that whole
You just don't want to laugh
road.
at my unfunny jokes.
Don't want to go down that avenue right off the beginning here. So this company that you've uncovered, ticker is MT. I don't know how to pronounce this name, but I'll give it a crack. ArcelorMittal.
That's great, Terry. That's exactly how I would pronounce it, too.
Good.
And I'm not even a phonics major, although I did get hooked on it. Phonics, that is.
Yes, at a young age.
At a young age, right. So it is.
This stock has hit a 52-week high recently.
Yeah, it's on a run. All these, a lot of these names are moving up. So if we go to the screen here, we can see that it's a Zacks rank #1 strong buy, and it's got that A for growth.
And value.
And value, no divergence, Terry.
No.
Both of these stocks have both A's for value and for growth. So that tells me investors just in general really like this space. So if we take a look at the earnings here for MT, we can see that this year it's moved up from 338 to 399. Next year, looking at 302 to 380. Those are some good moves. And down here on the bottom, on the detailed estimates page, we can see the company has been beating the Zacks consensus estimate on a regular basis, and not by a little. Your average surprise, 42%, so that is really good. If we take a look at the chart, we can see it's up, and away for the last 2 years, really. It's amazing how this one hasn't got on my radar screen until basically just now.
Yeah.
But all sorts of beats here. Every opportunity here for the last 2 years has been a beat, and estimates are moving up, so this is looking good.
See,
for MT.
You do away with the signature red jacket, and all of a sudden things look clearer to you, Brian.
Right? Suddenly it's back to the basics here.
There you go.
Catching some steel names.
Let's talk a little bit about HudBay Minerals.
HudBay Minerals. You know, this is kind of like the play of, how is a steel made? So you got to get the iron ore and that sort of stuff. So that's why we've got HudBay here. It's a Zacks rank #1 strong buy, as these stocks are. And I've already noted it's A for value, A for growth. If we take a look at the estimates, this isn't really the same sort of thing here. 49 cents to 51 is okay. I mean, it's an increase, not that much, but whatever. 90 days ago, we had 97 cents here, but 60 days ago, we had 86 cents. And therefore, if we see 86 to 97, that's a nice move up, even though there was that trip downward there. Earnings history, not quite as good. We've had a couple misses here of percentage size, but if we look at this one, this is a miss of 4 cents, and this one's a miss of 5 cents. So there's a couple pennies will end up translating into a big percentage move here. But if we look at the chart, again, we can see the general trend for HBM. This one has really moved in a percentage basis pretty good. Coming at the beginning of 2016. You're looking at just about $2, and now we're trading 10.
Oh.
So that is an impressive move. I know there's some ups and downs, and you got to have intestinal fortitude for this type of stock. But all of these steel names, AK Steel, AKS is the ticker for that one. Rio Tinto is another big steel sort of name. RIO is another. All of these steel style names are really hot with these charts over the last few months here. So these are names that should be strong names for your portfolio. Forceful names, right?
For your portfolio. Do you own either of these, speaking of your portfolio? I
do not own either one of these, or AKS or Rio Tinto.
Any of the ones that you mentioned?
Right, any.
They just rattled off the top of your head. All right. And don't forget, more stock information, data, commentary, always on our website, Zacks.com. So get over to the homepage with Brian. I'm Terry Ruffalo.